Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about bar graph. See the data. A family with a monthly income of rupees 20,000 had planned the following expenditures per month under various heads. Two columns are given: heads and expenditure. Heads: grocery expenditure 4,000, rent 5,000, education of children 5,000, medicine 2,000, fuel 2,000, entertainment 1,000, miscellaneous 1,000. We want to draw the graph of this data. The data contains two columns. First column heads, second column expenditure. So heads are grocery, rent, then education of children, medicine, fuel, entertainment, then miscellaneous. Okay. So in 1,000 rupees the expenditure is also given. For grocery 4,000, rent 5,000, education of children 5,000, medicine 2,000, fuel 2,000, entertainment 1,000 and miscellaneous 1,000. So this is the data. So the data carries heads and only one numerical data, that is expenditure. Now we are going to express this data in the form of bar graph. Okay. So first we need to draw x-axis and y-axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. See, in bar graph, along x-axis we have to point out or mention the first column, that is heads. Okay, whatever data in terms of sentence or words, okay, or objects or things are given, we have to mention these data along x-axis. So before that, take using scale, take unit distance. No need to write 1, 2, 3 and so on. Simply put equal distances along x-axis and along y-axis. So consider the first part. Just leave this part. Take this width. This is known as width. And this width stands for grocery. Okay. Grocery. Then leave this space and take the next part. Next part stands for rent. This is for rent. Now leave this gap. Take this rectangle and this rectangle stands for education of children. And leave this space and take the next interval or next class. This stands for medicine. And leave a space. Take the next rectangle. This rectangle stands for fuel. And next rectangle stands for entertainment and so on. Now listen, along y-axis we have to note down the numbers. So expenditure is the frequency, or along y-axis we have to point out. Here the least value is 1, highest value is 5. So you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So along y-axis you have to mention expenditure. Okay, expenditure. Now see the data. Grocery 4. So this is the grocery rectangle. So take the height as 4. So draw a rectangle of height 4. Now next is rent. Rent is this space. This is this rectangle. So rent means 5. So take a distance of 5 along y-axis. Next is education. Education is also rectangle of length 5. Okay. The next one is medicine. Medicine is 2. So it's 2. This is the rectangle. So in this manner, completely you can complete the facts given. In this manner, we can define or draw bar graph using the given data. Okay. See the bar graph of the given data. Along x-axis, we have to write the heads: grocery, rent, education, medicine, fuel, entertainment and miscellaneous. And along y-axis we have to mention the expenditure in 1000 rupees. So in the data expenditure you can see that least value is 1, highest value is 5. So along y-axis we can take a convenient scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now listen, each of these rectangles having equal space in between them, and these rectangles having a height 4, 5, 5, 2, 2, 1, 1 as per in the given data. So in this manner we can easily draw bar graph of the given data. Okay.